watch these channels. These channels are making over $3,000 per month, and the interesting part is that each of videos are completely created with AI. So today I am going to show you that how can you also make this type of YouTube videos. These videos are called LoFi musical videos, and you can see these channels have 5 or 6 hours long video with just a music. I have also made a video like this. It's cool, right? And you can earn money from YouTube after monetized your channel. So let's go to my screen. Okay, we will make this video in 3 steps. The first step is generating music, and the second step is AI image generating, and we will use Leonardo AI for making this type of image. And the third step is video editing, and we will use CapCut for this type of video editing. So at first, go to any browser and search MONETIZABLE AI and click on the first link here, and now generate a track now. Now here's first log in your account, and then here's the prompt box. You can type anything which type of music you want. I am typing a lo-fi music track, and we can also change the track or select any genres, mood or activities like ambient. Here's if I choose any mood. Also you can choose activities according to your video, and here you can set the duration of your music, and I am typing 3, and I think it is good enough for me. So now click on generate track, and our music is generating. It's done. Let's play our music. You have heard the music, and here we can download this. So our music is fabulous, and just click on the download button. This will open on my downloads, and here you need to paste your YouTube channel link where you will upload these musical videos. So I have pasted my YouTube channel link here, and now MONETIZABLE AI giving a link which we need to paste in our YouTube description when we upload our videos, and you must need to add the link in your description for giving an attribution to MONETIZABLE AI, or otherwise they can send you a copyright claim or strike. So obviously be careful about this. Now click on add to my downloads, and here you can download your audio. So I have downloaded it. Now our second step is making AI image. So again, go on any browser and search Leonardo AI, click on the first link and launch app. Now click on image creation, and here you can see I have generated this type of image before, and we will also make this type of image in now. So for making this type of image, go to the prompt box and paste the prompt. I will give this prompt in the description. You just need to copy and paste it in Leonardo AI, and you need to change the words according to your YouTube video topic. Then for making this type of anime image, go to the preset and choose the anime preset in here. And in image dimensions for YouTube long video, please select 16:9 aspect ratio for your image. And if you want to make shorts or Instagram reels, then select this 9:16 ratio. Now click on generate, and for generating this type of anime image you need to 10 credits, and every day you will get 150 credits in Leonardo AI for free. So I am clicking on generate. Okay, our AI image is ready, and you can see the quality is amazing, but the problem is our music was on an ambient genre, and these images align with the study environment. So this type of image is not suit according to our video. So I will make some small changes in our prompt. I am adding in the blue sky and beautiful nature and generate. It's generating. Okay, our video is done, and these images are superb. So for download these images, click on this image, and here you can see the download image option. So now save the image on your desktop or in your PC. And now our third step and the most important step is video editing, and we will use CapCut for this type of video editing, and it's completely free. At first you need to go any browser and now search CapCut PC version and click on the first link and download here, and it's completely free. And you can see here is my CapCut. So I'm opening it, and first click on create project. You can see many of project in here. here which I have edited before, but when you installed the CapCut on your PC for the first time, you don't see this type of project. You will see the blank option. Just click on create project for opening a new project. Okay, now this is our interface of CapCut. It's very simple. I know for some people who are watching CapCut first time, you will think it's difficult, but it's not. I will make you easy for it. So there is nothing to edit. So that's why we need to import our video and music and images which we have created before. So click on this import option and select the image and video and open. Okay, so you can see our image and music on the import section. Now we need to start editing this. So for edit this image, we need to drag and drop in the main timeline, and when we drop the image on the main timeline, you can see the preview screen, and here we can edit any image, video or anything. And here's the playhead, and by the playhead, and you can move your timeline, and you can see that this image set on 5 seconds, but we need to make it big. And so that's why when you place your cursor on the end of the frame, you can see this type of a arrow, and just click on this and drag it, and you can make it small or big. So I am keeping this, and now we need to add the music in our timeline. That's why again go to music and just drag and drop, and there is a two option to add anything in the timeline. One is drag and drop. You just need to drag and drop in the timeline, and you can see a plus icon in here. Just click on that. It will automatically add on your timeline. And let's play the video. Okay, so our video is perfectly playing, but you can see that the image is so small and the music is so much big according to the timeline. So we need to fix it. At first, press Alt on your keyboard and just scroll your mouse, then your timeline will be small. And now you can see the full audio in your screen, and you can see the image part is so small. So for making it big, just click on the image layer and make it full. And now you can see the image is perfectly aligned with our music. Okay, so our first step is complete. Now we need to add some effects and make the video more engaging. But this image is just an image. There is nothing. So at first I will make another copy of this image. And for that, click on the image layer. Again, press Alt, drag the layer in up. Then you can see it has made our duplicate layer. And I have duplicated the layer. And now you can see we have two layers on our timeline. Now go on remove BG option and click on auto removal. Now you can see our first layer background is removed, and now we can add any effect in the background in backward our subject. So I am again turning on the background, and we don't need to change any other thing in here. And I am doing this because if I add any effect in the main layer, then the layer will be in the front of our subject. But for creating the depth, I have done this thing. And now go to on effects. Here you can see the effect option. So click on this, and here you can get thousands of effects like the glitches, trending, nightclub, retro, motion. But for this video, I will select the nature option, and you can also see the many of effect in here. And the firefly effect, let's download it, and you can see the firefly effect applied on our video, and it's look perfect. But there is a problem. If I add the effect on the main layer, then the firefly effect on our subject, but I don't want this, and that's why I have created a duplicate effect. So I need to add the firefly effect in our background layer. Then you can see the firefly effect in the background of the subject. And if I add the firefly on the first layer, then you can see the firefly is on our subject. And there is also so many other effects. I hope you have understand. And here you can see a sun effect, and I think it will also suit with our video. So let's download it, and again drag and drop in the background layer, mean the first layer. And okay, and you can see the sun reflection in here. You can also add many effects, and the cherry blossom effect is also my favorite effect. So I'm adding this on the background layer, and let's play the video. And now you can see amazing effect on our video, and you can see our video looking so much good from before, and I think it's well enough. So now we need to export this video. Okay, for exporting this, you can see the export option in here. Just click on it, and now give a name of your video. So I am giving it LoFi music, and select your path for saving it. I am saving it on the CapCut folder, then select the resolution of your video. I will recommend 4K for YouTube upload and keep these things as the same. But 4K resolution size will be big. You can see here that the size is 640 MB, and that's why I am selecting the 180p option, and now it decrease and the size is 279 MB. And for decrease it more, you can decrease the bitrate also from higher to recommended, and you can see now 224 MB, and I think it's good enough. Now just click on the export button, and here you can see our video is exporting, and here is our final video. And this video you can upload anywhere. You can also make it short video or long video. The process is same. So I hope you have liked the video so much, and if you want more this type of video, please subscribe our channel. So bye bye.